The WA475-10 is the first model of a new family of Komatsu wheel loaders. Once again, Komatsu has made significant innovations to machine systems for improved safety, high productivity, improved efficiency, operator information, and convenience. Today we are going to take a detailed look at those enhancements on our Tier 4 final WA475-10 wheel loader. Let's look at one of Komatsu's most productive and fuel-efficient machines. This heavy-duty loader has many standard features others sell as options and introduces the new Komatsu hydraulic mechanical transmission, or KHMT, utilizing state-of-the-art electronic control. The KHMT improves productivity and results in up to 30% increase in tons per gallon of fuel efficiency, consuming 19% less fuel compared to the WA470-8, while increasing production up to 14%. Next, let's take a more detailed look at the features and improvements of the new WA475-10. Let's start by looking at the work equipment. The available 5.8 cubic yard bucket features a longer jaw for easier loading and generous side curves designed to better retain material. The new floor shape and radius profile help to roll material in the bucket for easy loading. These features reduce spillage and create a more productive operator. The WA475-10 has been equipped with larger boom cylinders, resulting in 20% more breakout force when compared to the WA470-8. The bucket cylinder is now a large bore type, similar to the WA470-8 log loader. Possibly the most exciting change to the work equipment function is its electronically controlled and independent of engine RPM input from the accelerator pedal. Work equipment movement speed is controlled by how far the operator strokes the work equipment levers. In addition, work equipment detent speed is now operator selectable through the machine monitor. In the first example, we have programmed the work equipment speed to slow. The operator only has to pull the boom lever to full raise detent position and let go. The boom lever returns to hold, but the boom rises to kick out position, then stops. Let's repeat this movement with the speed level in the user menu set to fast. With this set at fast, the operator only has to pull the boom lever to full raise detent position and let go. The boom lever returns to hold, but the boom rises to the kick out position, then stops. Note the incredible speed of the boom raise. Another enhanced feature operators are going to embrace is push-button bucket leveling. Use the bucket lever to dump the load of material as usual. Then push the bucket control switch on the bucket lever one time and the bucket will return to level even when the bucket lever is in the hold position. Then push the bucket control switch on the bucket lever one time and the bucket will return to level even when the bucket lever is in the hold position. Heavy-duty front and rear axles are standard equipment on the WA475-10. These axles allow this wheel loader to be outfitted with optional 775/65 R29 tires. Front and rear full fenders are standard equipment in North America. The front fender includes an extension designed to prevent dirt and debris from being thrown towards the cab when reversing. The entirely redesigned 4-pillar ROPS-FOPS cab has better visibility. Glass has been added at each front corner, the bottom of each door, and the rear windshield. The front windshield is now a slightly curved glass. Speaking of windshields, the WA475-10 has access platforms on the front frame for cleaning the front windshield. The left side mirror easily folds in for unobstructed access, and handholds along the cab roof and tie-off points make sure 3 points of contact can be maintained. This cab features ergonomic layout of switches in the right-hand console with 5-axis adjusters to obtain perfect positioning. Some of the innovative controls include a new travel speed control dial, which is used to set forward and reverse speed and assist in downhill braking without using the brake pedal. This dramatically reduces brake wear and eliminates the need for additional brake cooling in almost all applications. Also, this is the first Komatsu wheel loader to have heated and remote-controlled rear-view mirrors. The heated mirrors will engage when the rear defroster is turned on. The electric mirror angle adjustment switch is in the right overhead console. We also equipped this machine with a Bluetooth radio with auxiliary and USB input capability. Another important feature of the WA475-10 cab is the plentiful storage. To the right of the seat is the new mobile phone holder, while in the right rear, there is storage for the operation and maintenance manual. On the front side of the storage enclosure, there is room for magazine storage. The left side includes ample and secure storage for a lunch cooler. Pay attention to all the new LED lighting available on this machine. Facing forward, there are 2 LED work lamps. The headlight and turn signals are now LED, and at the rear of the cab, there are 2 LED work lamps. The rear-facing grille mounted work lamps, as well as the backup, stop, and turn signal lamps are all LED. By far the biggest innovation of the WA475-10 is the Komatsu Hydraulic Mechanical Transmission, or KHMT. The WA475-10 does not have a torque converter. This innovative transmission design provides the best aspects of a hydrostatic transmission coupled with a mechanical planetary transmission. Power from the engine is divided into two paths. Depending on the speed selected using the travel speed control dial, hydrostatic control can be the input for super high torque, or planetary can be the driving force for increased fuel efficiency. The same travel speed control dial can assist in slowing down the machine when descending a grade, all without using the brake pedal. And when using the WA475-10 for stockpiling, the machine has a feature called auto hill holding, where even sitting on a slope with no brake pedal application, the machine will not roll backwards. Think about how much easier this makes operation and reduces operator fatigue. Let's take a moment to look at engine compartment access on this machine. Ground level access doors provide simple, safe access for daily maintenance. From the right side of our 290 net HP engine, we can use the lube oil dipstick, check and drain the water separator on the fuel pre-filter. The fast opening, electrically operated tilting engine hood provides great service access. Removable mud flaps and small engine compartment side panels are easily removed without tools. This provides open access to both fuel filters, the lube oil filters, and the Komatsu closed crankcase ventilation filter assembly, better known as the KCCV. The WA475-10 is equipped with Tier 4 final engine technology, meeting the US EPA emission certification. Boasting an electronic control system which performs high-speed processing, the Tier 4 final machine utilizes Komatsu's already proven Tier 4 technology such as variable geometry turbocharger, exhaust gas recirculation, Komatsu diesel particulate filter, coupled with a selective catalytic reduction, or SCR technology. The SCR system injects diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into the exhaust to generate ammonia that will decompose and combine with the oxides of nitrogen in the exhaust, converting the exhaust to a harmless gas. Using SCR also allows dynamic reduction of EGR, equating to reduced intake and exhaust soot levels. The WA475-10 has a hydraulic-driven, auto-reversing cooling fan. Remember, big advantages of running a hydraulic cooling fan include reduced fan speeds, reduced noise, reduced fuel consumption, and optimum engine operating temperature as the fan only rotates at the speed needed. The fan on the WA475-10 can also be set to reverse automatically during normal operation. The wide core radiator features wider spacing of cooling fins to ease cleaning. Speaking of service, it's important to talk about Komatsu Care. Since Komatsu builds the most reliable and technologically advanced machines in the industry, it is only fitting we provide advanced product support. We call it Komatsu Care, and it comes standard on the WA475-10. It includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 2,000 hours, plus up to 2 kDPF exchanges within the first 5 years, at the exchange intervals of 4,500 and 9,000 hours. Of course, if you want additional peace of mind, Komatsu and their distributors are focused on providing customers unparalleled product support throughout the entire life cycle of the machine through our Komatsu Extended Care programs. Thanks for taking some time to learn about Komatsu's WA475-10 wheel loader. Please reach out to your local Komatsu distributor for more information on this exciting new model.